Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. To this video I will show you beautiful room decoration. So I hope you will like this video. If you like, don't forget to comment down and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. And which room decor you like, don't forget to comment me down. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So you can see this one, the very beautiful picture. You can see the green color theme looking very beautiful, and this also you can see very beautiful. You can see the modern room decoration, very beautiful decoration, the lights and all in the mirror, very beautiful decoration. You can see it looking very beautiful, also very good. And this one also you can see the bed and the wall and the roof lights, and this one also you can see the mirrors, the walls and all, and the roof lights, very beautiful lights and all, very expensive. And this also you can see the mirror, the beautiful mirror decoration. You can see looking very beautiful mirror and the lights and all. This also you can see very beautiful mirror, table and chair and all. You can study here, teach here, or study anything, very beautiful. And so also you can see the mirrors, you can see the beautiful mirrors and all, and the lights, the roof and all, very beautiful roof, looking very beautiful. And so also you can see very beautiful. You can see the and so on, the lights and all, and the photo frames and all, very beautiful frames. You can see it looking very beautiful, very good also. And so also you can see the lights and all, very beautiful. The modern room you can see, the beautiful room looking very expensive. This also you can see very beautiful. You can see the pink color floor and all, and the mirror and all, looking very beautiful, very good also, looking very beautiful, very good. You can see it's also the mirror on the table and the floor and all, very beautiful. It's looking very beautiful. And so also you can see it is very beautiful. You can see the applies, the floor, the chair and all, very beautiful, very good looking. And so also you can see the small lights and all, the pink color bed decoration. It's very beautiful. You can see looking very good. And so also you can see very beautiful decoration and all, looking very good. And the floor looking very beautiful, looking very nice. And the lights and all, and the floor, and everything is very beautiful. This also you can see very beautiful, the green color and the mirrors and all, the decoration is very beautiful. And also the pink color theme, you can see it is very beautiful pink color theme. So I hope you like this. If you like it, don't forget to comment and press the bell icon. When I post my new video you will get the notification first. So and which room decor you like, don't forget to comment. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Take care and goodbye.